sharp kids. It's week 11 for our Think Tank Math, and it's designed for 4th and 6th graders. And so what we have here is we have a math problem that has, we're going to try to put B, the value 27, in for B. So I'm going to do 2. You have similar problem in your book, in your package for the week. So what we do is we do the inverse. So that's 27 divided by 3, which is 9. So then we take 9 and divide that by 3 to find out what A is. And so that would make that 3. And so then it says on the bottom, it says, what is the value in the oval? So what you do for that is you look up above and you see that 3 times 3 equals 9, and that never changes because that's outside the boxes. And we're going to stick one more value. We're going to say, let's say 63 is the value of B, so we have to determine what the value of A is. So we do the same thing again. We take 63 and we divide that by 3. So we get 21. So then we take and put the value of 21 right here and take 21 and divide that one by 3, which equals 7. So that's one of the problems for week 11. The second one has to do with time. So it says, oh goodness. Okay, this is, I'm gonna change this, but we can leave it like that. Okay, so 120 seconds is about how many minutes? So what I did was, we took, there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So then we take, wants to know how many 120 seconds for how many minutes equals how many minutes. So what you do is you take 120, that value, multiply it times this value equals 120, and then divide it by the value up here. So I'm going to just take 120 divided by 60, which equals 2. So there'll be 2. And so, and then this has the same number as this, but we're just changing the units. So instead of seconds, we're gonna cross this out and put, because there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And so 120 minutes equals how many hours? Since it's 60 per unit, then you come up with the same answer, 2, which is similar to the problem in your handouts you got in your packet. So 150 hours is about how many days? And there's 24 hours in a day. So we get 24 hours in one day. And we're trying to find out 150 hours equals how many days? And we do the same thing. We would cross and then divide. However, it says about. So what we can do is we can just change this to 25. And so what we can do then is we can say 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, because 25 is like a quarter, and 4 quarters equals $1 or 100. So we're getting there. So we're at 100 and 25, 150. If you think of these as quarters. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 150 hours is about 6 days. 150 days is about how many weeks? So we got 150 days, is how many weeks? And there just happens to be 7 days in a week. So it's 7 days in 1 week. So then we would do 150 times 1 equals 150, and take 150 and divide it by 7. So then 7 goes into 15 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Bring down the 0. So 7 times 1 is 7. So it goes into a point. So that would be 7 goes into 30 about 4 times, because 7 times 4 equals 28. And so on a number line, we're going to say 21.0, 22.0, 21.5, halfway in between. And we're looking at, because again, it's about, and so we're at 21.4, and that would be about right there, 21.1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So that would be about 21 and a half weeks. 150 weeks is about how many years?
Oh my goodness.
I know. Okay, so we go 150 weeks is how many years? And there's about 52 weeks in a year, but again, it's about. So we're gonna round 52 to 50. So then you take 50 weeks in 1 year. So you got 50 plus 50 plus 50, because $50 and $50, I do all of my quarters and 50 by dollars because we grew up with money. So 50 and 50 is 100, 150. So 150 weeks is about 3 years. And that's a wrap up for this week's Think Tank Math, and I hope you guys are having fun with this math. Talk to you later. Bye.